This is Justin from the Carguments podcast, and this is the Ferrari 488 GTB at Exox Racing. This ended up being my favorite of the 7 cars. It just had so much power, and it was such a blast to drive, and it was just indescribable how Ferrari makes you feel behind the wheel. Ferrari really does build amazing cars, and 7 laps just wasn't enough, but that's what I got. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ride.
Now just keep moving a little bit. Yeah, nice and easy. Come out onto the track. Right paddle shift. Stay to your left now. Right paddle shift again. Perfect. Get over here to the left. Ease off that brake this first time. Turn it in. Alright. Start squeezing that throttle. Gradually unwind the steering wheel over to the left. There we go. Now right paddle shift. Right paddle shift. And brake. Left paddle downshift. Ease off your brake. Keep turning a little bit lower to the corner here. Start squeezing throttle. Gradual unwind steering wheel off to the left here. No more shifting for now. Now brake. Downshift. Ease off your brake. Nice and smooth now. Look ahead to the right side of the track. Light brake here. Turn to apex. Let it balance. Good. Up over the hill. Squeezing that throttle. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. Now brake. Stay left. Look into apex right now where you want to go. Good. Gradually start squeezing that throttle now. Look ahead to the right side of the track. Ease up. Alright, give it a little bit of throttle now. And brake. Off brake, apex right. Start unwinding your steering. More throttle now. Upshift. Upshift. Brake. Downshift. Get off your brake. Keep turning around the corner to the right. Squeeze that throttle. Gradually unwind off to the left. Do that more gradual, that unwind, okay? Stay left. Now brake and downshift. Off your brake. Squeezing that throttle. Look ahead to your right. Light brake. Apex left. Off your brake. And squeeze your throttle. Keep accelerating. Keep accelerating. Now brake and downshift. Off brake. You didn't get the last downshift before. It didn't work for some reason. Alright, go for it, man. Keep digging. Now keep digging right side of the track. Ease off the throttle. Turn in. Now ease back down on the throttle. And brake. Off brake. Get into the apex right. Squeezing that throttle from here. Do a real gradual unwind. Upshift. Upshift. Brake. Downshift. Start turning. Off your brake. Squeeze your throttle. Gradual unwind steering left. Stay left track. Now brake. Now downshift. Try it again. Squeeze throttle. Right side track. Brake. Apex left. Balance. Squeeze throttle. More throttle. More throttle. Now brake. Stay left. Off brake. Keep turning inside apex right. Squeezing that throttle now. Look ahead to the right. Ease off your throttle. Turn in. Ease back down on your throttle. Now brake. Off brake. Apex right. Start gradually unwinding to the left. Upshift. Upshift. Brake. Downshift. Off brake. Keep turning. I think it's the way you're hitting it. Squeeze throttle. You're using just like your pinky. It's not really getting it. Stay to your left. Brake. Downshift. Off brake. It didn't do it, huh? There it goes. Squeeze it. Yep. Light brake here. Apex left. Off brake. Start squeezing your throttle. Keep accelerating. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And brake. That's right to the limiter, man. Good job, dude. Nice. Keep it up. You're going to hit the limiter here, too. Squeeze that throttle now. Off throttle. A little more throttle now. A little more throttle. Now brake. Off brake. Apex. That's it. Gradual unwind. Some more throttle now. Upshift. Upshift. Brake. Downshift. Off brake. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Squeeze throttle. Gradual unwind. Keep digging. Keep digging. Stay left. Brake. downshift, off brake, squeeze throttle, over to the right, light brake, apex left, balance the car. Good. Squeeze the throttle, more throttle, more throttle, and brake, stay left, apex right, off brake, keep turning a little more, squeeze that throttle now, start bringing your wheel back, pass on the left, off throttle, a little more throttle now, more throttle, now brake, off brake, apex, unwind left, more throttle now, upshift, upshift, brake, downshift, start turning, ease off brake, keep turning, squeeze throttle, gradual unwind left, stay left, now brake, downshift, apex, off brake, squeeze throttle, right side track, off throttle, apex left, off brake, and squeeze throttle, more throttle, more throttle, now brake, look to apex, look in there, that's it, squeeze throttle, ease up, turn in, a little more throttle now, a little more throttle, and brake, off brake, unwind left, more throttle now, upshift, upshift, brake, downshift, brake harder, off brake now, off brake, keep turning, squeeze throttle, reach over, get that downshift in, stay left, brake, downshift, apex, off brake, squeeze throttle, see if you can downshift, off brake, apex, and throttle, more throttle, and brake. Alright dude, let's bring it into the pits. You get 7 laps, correct?
Yep.
Good job, man.
That was a lot of fun.
You like this one, huh?
Yeah. I mean, how can you not? It's a Ferrari.
Yeah, you drove good too,
I just
man.
want to thank the team here at Exox Racing. This was a lot of fun. I really appreciate all their hard work and helping me out here. And yeah, if you want to check it out, exoxracing.com. It's probably the most fun thing anyone can do if you're into cars. I mean, this was a blast. So thanks again, Exox Racing, and we'll see you later.